Hello, welcome once again. This is how we're able to generate 3,200 kilowatt power energy from the sun, ranging from the solar panel, the inverter, the charge controller, and the storage battery. This system is an off-grid, meaning it was not connected to any electrical means or generator. Rather, we generate our source from the sun and maintain it. We have four batteries for it, and equally have 5 kVA inverter, which we use to power our houses and use it to power our TV in running our day-to-day businesses. This is able to carry our fridge, two fridges during the day, then in the night it serves as a backup to the system. How does this happen? In the night where there is no much sun, we use it only for the lighting point. With this, you can have your own solar system, and we can equally use it to power your business centers like your shop. You can use it to power your school, your offices, and even use it to control your street, as you can see.